Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Aposifo ewo Bunu East ekum amroba bi na asem ne kra no. Esre de si ye trese aposifo na momo baby ena amroba si minimo so mu ehu se ye police fo se den yo se bi mpre di asa obi besie sebe wo mu jimie ena agi omu dwan na asen ye beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell on so we hear the latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka ma mentra say we have an official WhatsApp group open so join it now what try join on any other issue na normally we have topics we talk about but dodo na Ghana for wa brochre ena ewo group no emu nti open so join the group now the link is in the description box yes right click na join it uwie nso aye number na that screen ase no o asem bia wo pese wo ne yen eka wo pese ye de o voice eto air on any other matter bia na you can send us a voice note or you can text us on that particular number mesre you shouldn't call na call no ha adwen nti no wo ye ne saman ya ye na ye ni beje nti no eno ene nsem a eda ho yen ko nsem ni mu ende na etiefo for a while now we be hu ne say na I report on some of these robbery cases at ACC. Nini na ene say ye pese aposifo na enyama we ete eko form because say will be ebebre ni mojeni akwakoye na ejuma na sebe will be e the 1 second pe aba beje de eyade a ensem fata na ukọ ukọ yeji highway bi wo ho yeji Prang highway mambodi ni ya mo fancheme e wo Bunu East region na etiefo some bridge bi ukọ ewo highway ne so a obekwa akoto bridge bi a ye fe no Kofi Basari se Kofi Basri o se Basari o se de edi no mamoni ya mo fanja me nim ho now highway ne so there is a bridge a ye fe ne sa na senior medin kan trail no if you've been following my channel for a very long time for now we follow me for a very long time now here especially the northern side and the Bunu East side no the robbery cases are eba o hwe say nini na no mostly a highway robbery say enkrofo be kwa kohye nrem and robbers no be kwa kohye nra animu omo hu say enkrofo oba na yetu asi omo so na yatututuo na tre say yaba be robbi omo ade a normal thing anansi ya me be report kra say obi be yes driver no wo de car no ebo am robber ni kun no I mean normal sana robbers no wo mo operate on those highways etiefo enti high so bridge na ewo ho no police for wo mo ko omo ye patrol duties wo mo patrol highway because you omo te say armed robbers ba highway ne so enti wo mo patrol now light enhye ni ho na eho eyesum enti say armed robbers no wo mo ehun say ye police for whether the source say ordinary people no one knows because me mean him say na ko mu hu say ye police for na ka sabe sa nkosi asem wo mu nkonkodi obi be bisa say nkosi asem ben na wo mo ye baye ahomache for police for on highway duties patrol duties no wo mu do bridge so no mu hu say torchlight mienu efi inra ni mu atre police car ne so ama nkrofo ya hya say wo mu tututuo yeah, police for ye nam ye be. And you see, this is why I'm saying say sebe the armed robbers no wo mo ejimi. Mesra mo fanche me, but ye jimie enende ato wo mo say. Me sure so wo mo kra no. Wo mo beka say sebe ye jimi papa. Because one, it's not like you can rob the police. And it's not like you came there to even rob the police. Police need there or call patrol duty. O twem akọ wonim se mokra mo she bush nim but say mo mo say ebia enye police ni nti mo fi say normal car bi nti mo sha say mo tutuo na police won say yeah police for ye nam ye baby ene say bia mo ye robbery e ma ye beto say mo ye robbery o e ma mo tutuo aboyen yo ye nam ye baby a ye nam highway no so akwa ye mo say ye commercial car and ye ordinary people nti mo ba be robbe ye mo be use sa tactics ni wo ye so ye be tre mo nyansa wo mo tutu police woni tu na police woni say he ne ha police woni so see ye fine Womo so kaki etio no say mose mu ni metio to ende ye ne mo betoto. Police one to one pe kwa na fe nkrofo wo mu nipa ba ko da fom afi be he eduane wo mu dwa me se den dwane e na make eduane afi be he dwane nkrofo yi wo mu dwane sei me se he ensanfo ozi we jibi mo fa nche me didi atem too much mo fa nche me but wo hwe some of the things are nkrofo yi se be wo mo ya ese fatasi e be di o mo atem police on mo every secret police on na mo baby a wo mo nka mo tutu abo mo wo mo si ya wo to ba ko pe police ni ba ko pe o wo to ye kra na fe mo nipa ba ko da fom afi speed wo mo jija wo mo nyama ni na to no mu dwane me se ha se mi fi se mo ye mema mo sha se mo tu nti abo police no and that there mu dwane obu dwane ja wo mo nyama ni na wo ho na police for no ko komi bush ni mu bebia hu se nkrofo wo mo dwane o mu dwane o mu ja wo mo etio phone mobile chese laptops bullets wo mu jija o mu dwane ni atunra ni mu o mu dwane ni na atunra ni mu ena o mu dwane inti police force because omo se senia esi ye na betumi aba ne say yes etio no ebo baako e ma ne wu ye instant ebetumi aba say others ne so etio no e kan wo ma wo mu epra anase senia wo mu dwane ni nti wo mu epra nti omo a wo mo te sa area nim no wo ye hospital clinic na obi e ba say o we pra etio bi ana we ya munya fast na mo police wona mane munya fast na mo police wona mane wahe ende die ena meka na ena meshazi meka na se sebe wo mokwasia na eyi omudwan ye kasa wo kan ba mementi ase ba maka sebe na eyo mo se wo mo normal people na wo mo cap ayefu enti na ye kan no ye say Kama is a female dog. If you know the name given to a female dog, you know what I'm talking about. Kama is a female dog. Sisebe, the number of people are more robbing or kwani so nenye bini. So this time they thought they were going to rob people, not knowing ne police for. Not just a woman crashing red ni mu hona. Woman she den hu ka ne papa o. Woman she den hu ka ne papa se ka we ba e we ka. The omuni man say, woman be throw torchlight. No more to tutio. It is a passengers ni abegu from no musro ni ababa be robi omo. Ba bibi omo ko fire and dey am ko fire. Omo anko ko fire. Into police commander. Yeji divisional police command. What den sem eba betuja. Na me pese me readi asemo a wakan na ye hu. O say a search was conducted in the bush. And police found 2 single-barreled guns modified as shotguns. 9 BB cartridges and 6 mobile phones. Meanwhile, the body has been deposited at the Matthias Catholic Hospital mortuary for preservation and identification. Police was say wamu di mono no akwa koto hospital bi. Wamu bo ni the Matthias Catholic Hospital. Nti asamwa police penyin no walk no na we no kind say if anyone comes with any wounds on the body for treatment, they should inform the police omomo area ho no, especially the health facilities. Obi aba se we pra enemy ko ye we na me pra na wo hwe na ekuro no ana wo hwe nipa ko nanim hu ne se da bi ni pay ekuro a wo kan ni. I mean you want kasa out to me hu but police for na mane na police for no they know what to do. I am the papa. I am the same crofui and then they were more quaquacosia. I am there. Minyaya. Nakam robbers meaning now 7 previous a woman robbing crofo highway so no. Minyayan ka deal with the 2 more. It has said the last 2 weeks. The reported on say driver no and robber so bet to 2 hour betina obejina kwa no driver ne de can born now or call no. It has says I dear no. Ebeto armed robbers na ana way police for nam kwan no so mo fi say ona mo hu ne say e bia nya police for no mo try say wo mo kọ na di ma yawo me de mo try mo adwo comment box ni mo me da se